going and fixing the Raj bike. Then we might go to RST office, and at the end of the video I'll tell you all the cons of having the aftermarket exhaust and how much you need to pay fine as a if you have an exhaust system that is aftermarket.
ये है साइलेंसर,
इसके अंदर स्टील जूस है। वहाँ पे भाड़ा लाते थे ना, यहाँ
अभी हो रहा है सबरी से ओरिजिनल।
ओके 60 पहुंच गया। ओके 65। ओह नो 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 नो, बबलिंग हो रहा है। आई डोंट नो हाउ द ब्रेक्स आर। ओह अनाले दो बाते रोड जमीदी। Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This is Vibe Shady with a brand new and very informative vlog today because I've been doing research for this topic for 1 week. Sir का sound थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ रहा है तो इसलिए we're trying to reduce it by using some steel juice. अभी खरीदा है. It is not a good practice but to reduce noise pollution you can use this. देख लो, पहले एक लगाया था ये बाइक में तो अभी भी और एक लगाना है. This kind of video, you know, hack you'll only be getting in our channel. So please subscribe, okay? कितना रुपए का लगाया है ब्रो? ठीक है.
ये 50 रुपए से 1500 बचाता है.
हाँ,
क्योंकि ये साउंड लाउड होगा तो ट्रैफिक पकड़ेगा, चालान काटेगा, 1500 होगा. हाँ. उससे बेहतर है ये 50 रुपए का स्टील जूस लगा दो, साउंड भी कम होगा, ट्रैफिक भी नहीं बोलेगा.
हाँ वो तो है. मैंने भी एक स्टील जूस अंदर डाल दिया है. टोटल 3 स्टील जूसेस इनसाइड with that non-typical to minimize the noise pollution.
This don't work.
Because last time while going to Samchi, our bike had an aftermarket exhaust which was acrophobic. So we created the noise pollution. We violated the government's rules. Yes. Silencer. Don't skip the video, watch till the end because our road captain's bike got punctured. He called me recently just before starting this vlog, so I'm gonna go, we will fix that puncture as well. So I'm gonna show you everything, okay, from like exhaust system, changing exhaust system from company, okay, from the aftermarket to company, and then going and fixing the Raj bike. Then we might go to RST office, and at the end of the video I'll tell you all the cons of having the aftermarket exhaust and how much you need to pay fine as a if you have an exhaust system that is aftermarket. So see you in the video guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, share, comment.
साइलेंसर चेंज हो रहा है अभी. ये है साइलेंसर,
इसके अंदर स्टील जूस है. वहाँ पे भाड़ा लाते थे ना, यहाँ
हो रहा है काम, हो रहा है. ओके सो काम अभी हो रहा है. अभी ओरिजिनल हो गया है सबरी से ओरिजिनल. ये है हमारा ओल्ड साइलेंसर एक्रापोविक फुल सिस्टम, एंड अभी लगा रहा है दूसरा. कंपनी एग्जॉस्ट लगा दिया है. लुक कुछ इस तरह आ रहा है.
गियर सेट हुँदैन नि फर्स्ट टाइम कुदाको. गोइङ टुवर्ड्स राजकुमार प्लेस to get his bike because his bike punctured, so we're gonna go and get that bike. थोड़ा bubbling हो रहा है. First time I'm riding this kind of scooty around Gelefo, and at the back of me is Balaram, and I haven't rode any scooties till now. So अभी मैं 45 में जा रहा हूँ. Let's go 60. Okay 60 पहुँच गया. Okay 65. Oh no 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 no, bubbling हो रहा है. I don't know how the brakes are. Here it doesn't even have mirror. From the office we need to go. पछाडिबाट गाडी आउँदैछ कि छैन हेर्नु है। छैन है। स्कुटीको ब्रेक राम्रो छैन रहेछ हौ। पछाडि गाडी छैन? म त कुदाउनु डर लाग्दैछ हौ। कहाँ रहेछ खोइ? ब्रेकै राम्रो नलाग्दो रहेछ। होर्छ नयाँ टायर हो त होइन नि? के यो ब्यान्ड भएर लिक भयो? कहाँ रहेछ? यहाँको यहाँ बल्यो भाइ स्कुटी। ल कुमार ओके, भरे म कल गर्छु तिमीलाई ल। फोन चाहिँ अन राख्नु है। सो पंचर हो गया ये बाइक, इसको वर्कशॉप पुराना है। और मेरे पीछे आउनु ल। बलराम अच्छा दिख रहा है। You know, I've never rode scooty before. I don't have much idea about the scooty, but I knew that when you press both the brakes, both of them are brake. Where this levers, you know, the one is clutch lever and one is brake lever. But when it comes to scooty, it's like bicycle, okay? Because if you press both the levers, you are pressing front and the back rear brakes together. But if it is bike, then you have a different, right? One is a clutch for shifting the gear, changing the gear. Another is brake, which is front brake. All right. So now we are heading towards KB workshop to fix the bike. Road captain's favorite place to fix tire is out here. भैया अब यो देखाएर चाहिँ यहाँ बाइक छोडिराखेर उसले बनाइदिन्छ होला। Then I'll go and pick my bike. स्टार्टै अफ नहुँदो रहेछ नि तेज। कस्तो बाइक सोचेर झन् पछाडि टेकिरहेको छ। कम्फर्टेबल छ र स्कुटी, ब्रेक नलागेर। ओके स्कुटी को लेके आया। Let's check. ठीक है सब इतना ही है। एक पीछे आइज ल पछाडि ल। Paul is riding my bike MT-15 and I'm riding Raj FZ250. Anale dubate road zemidi. I never knew about this. Oh. RST office and then pay the fine and then come back.
One hour later.
We just fixed this bike puncture. अंत कति लाग्यो पंचर को? 100 रुपये लाग्यो। ठीक है, ये भी बता रहा हूँ। और वो जो एग्जॉस्ट है ना, उसका हमको पड़ा था कितना कुमार? 600 रुपये। 600 we had to pay for aftermarket exhaust. So if you guys are having this kind of exhaust installed in your bike and even if it don't produce noise pollution, 600 रुपये देना पड़ेगा। वो जो स्टील जूस लगाकर वो कुछ काम नहीं चलेगा। ठीक है, वो जो पेमन अंकल ने जो वीडियो बनाया था ना, वो नहीं चलेगा। आप लोग को 600 तो देना ही पड़ेगा। उसके बाद क्या है कि इसने तो अभी ये एग्जॉस्ट में रहा है। मैंने तो देख लो कंपनी का बड़ा वाला एग्जॉस्ट क्यों चेंज किया था मैंने, क्योंकि ये बाइक से बड़ा लगता है मुझे। ठीक है, तो वो था एक लुक्स थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर रहा था, इसलिए मैंने चेंज किया था। आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट some cons of having aftermarket exhaust. So the first con is that legal and regulatory issue. Okay, so if you're having this aftermarket exhaust, you know this is aftermarket exhaust, and in India and in Bhutan it is absolutely not allowed. So if people just directly see those, then they will definitely fine you, okay, because of the noise pollution that it creates. Next con is that it will have a warranty concerns. Okay, warranty concern, because when the manufacturer from the bike, okay, Yamaha, this is MT-15, so when the Yamaha issues this bike, they will not say that, not tell us to put the aftermarket exhaust. Okay, so if your bike hasn't been more than 1 year, and if some damage comes in your bike, and maybe there can be a company saying that you will not be eligible for warranty because your bike has a modification of the exhaust system. This happened with me, okay, because before, like, I had an accident. I went to the showroom and I had some modification, not regarding the exhaust, it was with some other thing. My exhaust was a stock only, so that time they told me that you shouldn't be having this kind of, you know, modifications, otherwise you will not get the warranty. So there can be a warranty issue, okay, performance issue, okay, because after putting the exhaust system, and if you're having a good air filter, what happens is that it will have a more, it will enhance the performance, okay, where resulting more consumption of fuel and all. So there will be a performance issue, you know, because the company will fit your bike in such a way that the exhaust given by the company knows how much air will be coming out from the exhaust system, from the engine. So if you put another kind of exhaust system without the depickler and all, and with another kind of aftermarket exhaust system, there will be a change in the performance of the bike as well. So this is another con. Fourth one is that noise pollution, okay, noise, and I already talked about this in the first point itself. Original and durability, okay, because if you are going to sell this bike, so people will prefer the stock exhaust because the government doesn't allow it, so resale value will be down as well, because people prefer the stock exhaust, and if you don't have it at a backup, so it will be a problem as well. There can be an insurance issue as well. So this is a very much important thing in Bhutan, because people, they try to put this bike into third-party insurance, and if you have aftermarket exhaust, so if your bike is on an insurance, and if you made an accident, so people may not pay you because you have an extra mode that was not from the company. So this can be another issue if you have an aftermarket exhaust. Next is that potential for engine damage, okay, so having aftermarket exhaust can sometimes, you know, in the long run make your lifespan of the engine lesser, and it will damage the engine because more air gets out and all. So if you have aftermarket exhaust, make sure that you guys have a good air filter, so that the more exhaust gases go out, you need to have a more gas coming in for your bike to move. We have road captain, मेरो संसार ब्लॉगर. कॉन्स तो मैंने बता दिया. तो एग्जॉस्ट होने का वो जो है ना, फायदा क्या है?
फायदा क्या है? एडभान्टेज. एग्जॉस्ट छ भने चाहिँ अब आफ्टर मार्केट छ भने चाहिँ कस्तो हुँदो रहेछ भने साउन्ड चाहिँ एकदम अब मन पर्नेलाई चाहिँ मन पर्छ हैन. द्याट इज पोजिटिभ थिङ भनौँ न, जुन चाहिँ एग्जॉस्ट लाउँदाखेरि. एन्ड पावर, पुलिङ पावर,
या initial pickup and some young riders love the sound. त्यो दुईटा चाहिँ प्रोज हो नि त. पर्फर्मेन्स कसरी एनहान्स हुन्छ भने चाहिँ बेसी एयर निक्लिन्छ, बेसी एयर आउनु पर्यो नि त. एयर फिल्टर राम्रो लागेको छ भने चाहिँ बेसी एयर पस्छ इन्जिनमा, बेसी एयर निक्लिन्छ, पर्फर्मेन्स बढ्छ हैन. इनिशियल पर्फर्मेन्स बढ्छ, तर साउन्ड पनि बेसी हुन्छ. कसैलाई मन पर्छ, ट्राफिकले हेर्नु पक्रिन्छ.
एनदर थिङ इज के हो भने क्युट हुन्छ के, एकदम सर्ट पोर्टेबल टाइपमा. त्यो पनि हो, किनभने कम्पनी एग्जॉस्ट चाहिँ ठुलो हुन्छ नि त. कम्पनी ठुलो हुन्छ, लुक्स राम्रो हुन्छ, एनहान्स हुन्छ. 3टा प्रोज एन्ड 7वटा कन्स छ. So guys, that's it, and our Raj is here, so please do show love to him as well. And I think this is the end of the vlog, so I hope you guys knew everything that I told you in the beginning of the intro. I talked about everything that I wanted to show you, and I did it. So thanks for joining. I'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Not just mine, your channel. Not only mine,
yeah,
his too.
Yeah, his too. Okay, Mero Sansar, Vibe Shady Vlogs.
And again, once more, Throttle
Diary. And don't forget to subscribe to Throttle Diary. All the link of the video channel will be giving in the description. See you in the next video. Be safe, take care of yourself. Life is once. So see you in the next video.
Take care.